Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn something about associative arrays. So the arrays which we have used in the previous tutorial had a numerical index value. So for example, if you had an array like ABC, so let's say you had an array ABC. So in order to access the first element of the array, we used to type ABC, and then in the index position we used to have a numerical value like either 0 or 1 or 2 or any other numerical value of our choice. Now what associative arrays are, the arrays in which you could specify the index value to be a word or an alphabet. So for example, instead of having a value like 0, 1, 2 or 3, we could have a value like let's say if ABC was a person, so we could have a alphabetical value like let's say name. So in the ABC of name you could store the name of ABC, and in the ABC of color you could store the favorite color of the person ABC. So that's what an associative array is. So basically the major difference between a normal array and an associative array is that in associative array we are able to store alphabetical value for the index position or in the index, and in the normal array we used to have a numerical index. So let's go ahead and do some example of an associative array. So let's say we are going to create an array var, and let's say the array name is let's say notepad. So we type var notepad equals new array, and let's say we specify the size of this array to be nothing right now. Now once we have this array in place, we go ahead and save some values into the array, and just for the sake of understanding, let's say notepad is the name of person. So in order to save, so now let's say notepad's favorite color is blue. So in order to save the notepad's color, we type notepad, and then in the index place, instead of typing some numerical value, we type color. So basically this is going to display the favorite color of notepad. So we type notepad of color equals let's say blue. So now in order to print out the elements of the array, we use document.write in the same fashion as we used to use it while displaying the normal arrays. So we type document.write and then just display it out by typing the array name, which is notepad, and then the index, which is nothing but the color. Now once we are done with this, we save the code, execute it, and we get the value of color to be blue. So that's how you create an associative array, and that's how you display the information present in an associative array. So again, for your understanding, associative arrays are nothing but it is a different type of array wherein you could have the index values to be words, alphabets or something like that. So instead of using a number, you use some alphabetical value in order to represent the index of that array. So I hope you guys understood what associative arrays are and how you could access the information present in the associative arrays. So that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.